Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing what you can. Scrape away flakes with a spoon, then hold the stained area under cold, running water from the reverse side so paint pushes out fibers rather than deeper in. Once done, blot the area with a clean cloth to lift loosened pigment. Make sure to avoid rubbing, which spreads and embeds paint. You do this first because physical removal and flushing reduce the burden on chemical treatments that follow and improve final results. Now you decide wet versus dry paint. If the paint is still wet, apply liquid detergent directly and work it into fibers with your fingertips to break binders and lift pigment. If paint is dry, test a small hidden area with 70% isopropyl alcohol or acetone to ensure fabric color fastness. These solvents help dissolve acrylic film. Once safe, apply solvent, agitate with a soft brush, and rinse frequently. Make sure to alternate solvent and rinsing until the stain noticeably lightens. You finish by laundering the garment in the warmest water safe for the fabric using a heavy-duty detergent, then air dry so any remaining stain is visible. Heat sets stains. Once dry, inspect. If residue persists, repeat the solvent pretreatment and wash again before ever using a dryer. If after 2 cycles the mark remains, consider a professional cleaner or a color-safe commercial stain remover as a last resort. This helps prevent fabric.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.